try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you parking up, this the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I skirt, and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the shifter cart again. You guys saw in the beginning of this video, we took it out at night and it is sweet. Zach is actually here today, the one that was driving. He did an okay job in the dark, all things considered. So today we are going to be mounting the wing. So far, we finished welding the rear panels. So we got more welding wire and finished the beads on those. We have it marked out for the holes to be drilled for the wing to actually mount to. Alright, the holes are drilled. Time to put this bad boy on. Look at that thing. Cool. Look at how sweet that is.
It's like a mini F1. It's a perfect width. I couldn't imagine putting this on a car.
We have a wing.
Oh,
it's not bolted in.
Gotcha.
Oh, yeah, we definitely need to tack something on it.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking of. Looks nothing less than perfect on this thing.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we 3D printed something else. We got a phone mount, or like a little holder in there.
Yeah, put your phone in there, Zach.
Yeah, it doesn't hold iPhones. I did that on purpose because I hate iPhones. But if you have a Galaxy S22, it'll fit in there real well. The biggest of the big phones.
Yeah, you're compensating with size or something, I can feel it.
Well, it's my wing. It's not that big. My wing is small. Now that we have the wing on, we're gonna layer up the tail lights here. Okay, brake lights are wired in up to the master cylinder here. So we're trying to actually run a brake light switch from the car on here somehow. Being a little more difficult than we thought it would be.
Yeah, dude, that's perfect.
Our plan for tonight is to attempt to tandem drift this go-kart with our drift trike. One thing the drift trike doesn't have is a headlight. We have a simple solution, is this light right here. So yeah, that's just kind of our simple fix to the light situation on the drift trike, but it should work for tonight, and then we're gonna look into getting that thing lit up kind of the same as this. We do have a spot in mind that we'll be able to take these things. Also, we don't really talk about our merch that much. We do every once in a while. All the merch is really cool. If you guys are interested at all, we just made these stickers, the turd stickers. So if you guys want to put a little turd on your car, go to the website. The link is in the description. Yeah, get yourself some turd stickers. This sticker really should go on the pit bike. The video of me splitting this bike in half while riding it, it fell literally in half. So, turd.
I don't think they're gonna fit. Just drive them right up. Will these do?
Those, yeah, I don't know. It might be a little too weak.
Now, the question is, will they run?
Okay.
Almost.
Those tires just got to sort themselves out, I think.
Yeah, dude, it's so bumpy.
How was that? The turning on it.
So controllable. Honestly, what we should do is go back to the shop, put that on, and then come back so you guys can try it because it's so,
I do want to try.
it's so good.
Sweet. Instead of before where I was like, oh, too far.
Yeah.
I'm gripping like a mother. I'm sliding off the seat. Oh my god! That is fun.
Intermission. What happened? I crashed that. I was coming off the seat, and then I tried to brake, but I also tried to do the foot down thing, which just pulls up the front end where the brake is. PVC came off of the tire on this, so Mason was doing some really high speed stuff. You can still drift it, but you have to go
This way.
I'll try a high speed.
Yeah, give her a rip.
Beans are. There we go.
You can almost go full speed, almost. You might be able to. Tries it for the first time towards the rocks.
Oh my!
Wow, grippy, huh?
That's so much fun. Cameraman want to ride?
You got the spoiler to the kneecap.
So are these appropriate shoes for drinking?
Yeah, you're all right.
You can't get enough of that. No, you can't.
Ooh!
Hot
and spicy. Hoo, hoo. You could bake an egg on that. Ouch.
Yeah,
262.
What?
262.
Should probably let it run.
I don't know.
I don't know. Is that what you do with the small engine? Do you let it run when it's hot like that? We got to do the night drifting with the drift trike and the drift cart. The drift cart with the new steering bracket, tail lights, wing, headlights. Dude, it's a unit now, but this might be in our sights now, the drift trike. The drift trike did really well.
Yeah, I guess the only thing that didn't hold up that we've done are just the PVC. That's it. Everything else is rock solid.
Like I was saying earlier in the video, guys, go check out the new stickers on the website. We don't really talk about it much, but it is there. So if you guys want to support us in doing these fun things, make sure to go check out the website, maybe purchase something. For our next coming videos, we're probably going to be working on the stunt scooter again, adding some maybe body panels and more lighting to that. And then we're probably going to start aiming at this thing too. That's what you guys can expect in the coming videos. We have a local racetrack, ERX, and a big part of that is Carlson Motorsports. Andrew Carlson is the race driver for that whole team. I just found out recently that he has a dirt track, which is what this kart was set up to do. I'm gonna call him out right now. Andrew, if you wanna race, let's do it. I'll bring the kart over, we'll have a good time, we'll hang out, but I'm gonna beat you.
This is on you. I'm out.
Calling you out! Stone Cold Steve Austin! I won't do that again. Cut that.
Like always, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end. We appreciate you watching the videos, and we'll see you next time.